Welcome. I have previously installed this myQ Smart Garage Control on my garage door, and that allows you to control your garage door using an app, and it comes with a sensor for the door to tell the system if the door is open or closed. Now I have two garage doors, so I got this Smart Garage Door Control door sensor, and today I'll be adding this to the system. So if you'd like to see the video where I set this up, I'll put a link below to that. And if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link below in the description to it. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. So here we have instructions and we have the sensor, and it comes with these mounting strips. So I'm going to mount these on the back. So I have the adhesive mounted here, and we'll head out to the garage door and I'll get this installed. So this is the sensor I put on the left door. Here's the right door. Now I've cleaned this with some rubbing alcohol, and I'll place the sensor in approximately the same spot. And you want it facing up. It does say top at the top, but the words will be in the correct orientation. And I'll press that against the door, pull the plastic off, and I'll pull the tab out. Now I can press the button, red light will come on. Okay, so now I have the sensor installed on the door. I want to configure the app. So I'm in the myQ app. I'll hit plus on the bottom, and I'll hit device. I'll hit Smart Garage Hub, and then I'll hit door sensor. And this is where I think it can get a little bit confusing. It says left garage door. So I'm setting up the right garage door, but I have to tap left garage door, and that is showing the main unit there. And now it wants me to pull out the tab. I've already done that. And it wants me to test the door sensor. So I'll do that. I pressed it. It has a red light. I'll hit next. Now it's going to pair it. I'll hit next. It says the next step will pair your garage door sensor to your smart control hub. I'll hit next. Now it wants me to press the button. I'll press that. It says paired. I'll hit next. Now it wants me to install the sensor. I've already done that, so I'll forward through this. Now it's talking about pairing to the motor. So I have a Chamberlain. This tells me where the button will be on it, but I know where that is, and mine is purple. So I'm up here at the opener. There's a purple button. I'll press that once. And now it's configuring it. I'll hit next. It's pairing. It flashed the light. And now shortly here, it should open up the garage door. So I'll hit next. I'll name this. I'll hit finish. And now I have two garage doors. I have left garage doors closed, right garage doors open. So I can tap that now, and it will close the garage door. So that's how you can add a second garage door to the myQ Smart Garage Hub. So this supports two garage doors. The main package comes with enough for one garage door, and you just have to buy that sensor for the second door. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.